welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dazzling DEETYA. As you know, in my garden tour video, I promised you that I would take a video of me harvesting my potatoes. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. So here are my potatoes. They're all dried up and ready to harvest with the help of my parents. First of all, you have to cut off the top, like this. Then it's easier to pull. The next step is to tip over all the soil onto the ground. It seems really heavy, that's why my dad came to help. Wow, you can see the potatoes. Wow, so many potatoes. Now let's put them in the bowl. This one's really tiny. This one's so big. Look how small this one is. It's so much fun harvesting my potatoes. It's like a really fun treasure hunt. This is a whole bunch. How do you do this? Oh. I think that's it. We only planted 4 or 5 potatoes, but now we have so many. many potatoes. They're both so heavy. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm probably going to put these potatoes down. They're really heavy. Bye!